Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be reviewing this French gem mining kit that my grandma got from France. So she went to France about a couple months ago, and she brought me back this thing with a lot of other gifts, which is really nice of her. So shout out to my grandma. And today I'm just going to be reviewing this thing. Let's get into it. So now there is a change of location because I was on the table now, and now I've moved over to into my backyard, to the grass. So I'm just going to take the plastic off, the actual plaster, which hopefully it's going to be nice to me today. I broke the plastic. Now be careful. Ow! Be careful with the plastic because it can cut you and not be good. So, first look of the actual thing. You can see there might be a bit of a gem here and there. But I say, let's get digging. Ow. I broke it! I broke it! Whoa! Already just found a gem off the bat. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It's a green gem there, and then there's more gems showing in there. And there's some more on the top. Gosh, I can tell this might be better than the Smithsonian. Number one. But I mean, it's from France anyways, so it's a bit unusual. Gem number two. It's a bit unusual because I won't be. That's my 8th gem, everybody. Okay, so to just speed up this process, I've got my dad's hammer. Now make sure you have adult supervision. My mom is watching inside, so just make sure you have adult supervision with you, okay? So it's easier just to use the hammer, just so I can speed up the process. Because because in this video I'm still going to give my gems a wash and have a little review of them. So yeah. God, I love using that hammer. It's so satisfying watching the pieces go. Oh, get lost flies. I hate flies, it's so annoying. Hammer, you're trying to blend. Oh, chisel, sorry, not hammer. I'm just gonna move my tools out of the way. Chisel, stay up there. Good. Okay, so I've got my gems here. And I've got my little sponge here. And I'm just gonna give him a little bath. So we've finished washing our gems, and now it's time for drying. This process takes like 2 seconds. Okay, so we finished the kit sadly, and it's time for rating. I rate it 10 out of 10. It was awesome. Even though the product was from France, we can't get it every single time. And are you wondering what that noise is? Because it's my dog over here. Claude, stop eating the cardboard. Alright, so thank you everybody for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.